Back with us again, we have my mom, Diane Hunter, to talk about those Callaways.
Yes, and I'm sure that people know how honest and what kind of integrity those Callaways have. Whenever you're looking for a real estate agent, I mean, there are a lot around there, and there are a lot of good ones.
That's true.
But there's not a lot of outstanding ones. And those
No, you
Callaways,
can't get better than those.
Those
Callaways
Callaways
are the
can
best.
help you buy or sell a home. And you've got one of their homes right now to tell us about, don't you?
I do. I have a Scottsdale home. It's a gated community. It has 4 bedrooms and 4 baths, and it's just over 3,500 square feet. And it has this split 3-car garage with a storage room. It has this eat-in kitchen. It has this with the stainless steel appliances, an eat-at island with the dual ovens, and a dining patio. Family room with the built-in entertainment walls, a wet bar, and then they have the wall with the sliding glass doors, which are beautiful.
Absolutely.
And it has a split plan with the guest quarters.
That's always
really nice for the
Yeah.
guests. The den has beautiful built-ins as a home office. The master suite is relaxing retreat with the jetted tubs, the dual sinks, walk-in closet, and then the large snail shower, which I love. And then the backyard features a sizable pebble-finish pool with a spa, covered patio, and gated the side yard. And all this only for $799,900.
Wow, that sounds
So that
like
is a
very
really good
buy,
deal.
yeah.
And then obviously if people aren't interested in this one, there are so many other options, so they
really-
definitely need to contact them.
Absolutely, or they can go to their website.
Yep, thank you.